Hey guys! Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to try a new project. I'm going to sublimate this wood. So I got this at the Dollar Tree and I thought it was so cute. And I wanted to do something different rather than paint it or use vinyl, and I thought I would try sublimating the wood. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I'm going to use today is printer jacks, paper, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the sublimation printer. And the white part goes up, and let's go ahead and get started. I think this is going to be so cool. Hey guys, okay, so this is what we're going to do. I just printed the images that I want to put on the love wood on sublimation paper, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. And remember, when you're sublimating, when you print it on the printer, it comes out lighter and then when you put heat on it, the color like comes out, it pops, becomes more vivid. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish cutting. I'm going to cut each area, and then I'm going to place it on the wood. And our way. Okay. So this is what I'm kind of thinking of doing, okay? So we have the wood piece, and then I'm thinking of like placing the image on it. It would go this way because we had to reverse the image. And I can cut some of it. So I'm going to go ahead and tape. I think it might be easier if I just did like a portion of it like this. Okay, and then even though I wanted it to, you know, be like the image itself, like the letter itself, but it was just way too confusing. And I wasn't even sure how this would look. So this is just kind of my sample to, you know, see how it looks first before I like spend so much time. Okay, so let's go ahead and tape this right there. Note, the tape does not like to stick to the wood. Okay, then we are going to do another. Let me just make sure that is the right way. Yes, that is the right way. Double check. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to do this like that. And I think I'm going to overlap it just so I make sure that there's no white spots. I'm going to get the tape. Okay, and then let me place these down as well so we can kind of have it evened a little bit. So it's kind of like this. Okay. The timer for a minute, and then okay, so let's go ahead and okay, so we're gonna do 60 seconds 3 times. It's kind of weird, it smokes. I can smell it now. It kind of smells good. It still says, okay, yeah. That was saying, that was the beep that it just hit 360. I started a little too Okay, so I just finished doing the other side too. And let's go ahead and take this off. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is nice. Let's see. How do I get that tape off? Wow. Wow. That is so cool. What do you guys think? That is so cool. I ended up doing 3 minutes. Yeah, this is what I said. And wow, that's really nice. What you could do too is you could shellac it. And you could also paint. Like I was thinking of painting the top like pink and the inside and all that kind of stuff. And then you could shellac it. That's so cool, you guys. I really like it. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.